Thank you so much for subscribing. I did it. I got the 1K. And I love all you guys so much. I need to think of a special to make now. Hi everyone, welcome back to XVolt Tech, and once again, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I got something special here today. It is a box, but it's gonna be a really cool box. I have had this on my mind for a very long time, and I finally said, you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm going to college soon anyway. I need a better computer. Let's see how to open this. Oh, it's here on the front. Okay. I should have grabbed scissors, but all I got is a pencil. Ooh. Oh, check this out. Oh, I'm sorry. This box is just too big for the camera and I can't go out anymore. Alright, so first thing comes with a set of stickers here. Some stickers and a guide. This is neat. Alright, first here we got the bezel. Of course, we all know what a bezel is. The keyboard. Oh my god, and the laptop itself. No way. Ah. Oh wow. Oh wow, this is really cool. So you see here, I got the Ryzen DIY edition. Here I've got my I/O. I got two USB-A, HDMI, and a USB-C. I know there's the whole thing, because I actually plan on running Linux on this, and I heard this whole thing with the AMD and the HDMI thing. Hopefully that doesn't really affect me. Here, so we got the memory here, which is actually, I'm going to be sending this back. I accidentally ordered a single stick of 16GB RAM instead of 2 sticks of 8. So I ordered some off of Amazon, and I'm going to be sending this back to Framer, but in the meantime, I'm going to be using it. Nice. Okay. We got a WD Black here. I got a 500GB one. And the screwdriver it comes with is dual-sided. Alright, here we go. The laptop itself. Ooh. Oh, sweet. That is nice. Oh, wow. Oh, the captive screws. That's what that noise is. This is really light. Let me compare this for you. This is a 2020 13-inch M1 MacBook. Kind of size comparison here. Thickness and such. It does look very nice. It does. This one does feel heavier though. The MacBook definitely does feel heavier. Whoa! Oh my god! I actually have my hands on one of these. I can't believe this because I see this so much in the videos. Oh! I am so excited. Oh wow! Welcome to XVolt Tech. This thing goes pretty far back. God damn! I don't think I have any laptop that goes that far back. Oh, sweet. Oh, this is coming out to be a mess. Oh! I'll put that into memory channel 0. Nice. Okay. I like all these little QR codes that they put here. I think these are the speakers. No, these are the speakers. What are these? So you got the framework team here. Shout out to them. Oh, the screw comes onto it. Comes with it. Hell yeah. That's something that the HP Envy that I talked about a few months ago did not have. A screw. Keyboard and trackpad along with the fingerprint sensor. All modular, of course. Which is sweet. That was so easy to connect. Okay. I think this snaps on magnetically. Oh, So I think the USB-C goes either way. I think it goes here is where I should. Oh, wrong way. Whoopsies. Here, output, right there. There's so much trash, but it should be all like recyclable and stuff. Oh shoot! There it is. Haha, the screen works. Oh, now we can see the boot manager there. Oh, okay, it is now back together. I actually will not be doing the operating system installation in this video. I'm gonna skip right to when it's done because I'm going to be installing Arch Linux. So this is gonna be interesting and long, and I have friends to help me with this. So I'm gonna be back after this, but it's great. And there we go. I have it all set up, and I am running KDE Desktop Manager on Arch. I'm gonna set all my stuff up and do customizations. Thanks again for 1,000 subscribers. I'm honestly so shocked that I hit that in less than a year of posting videos, basically. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.